Our next speaker is the National Director of Student for Free Tibet, Dr. Gyal. Please, Dr. Gyal, come forward to say a few words. Thanks.
자싱 제베 에네 페리군나 나바 드링기 니모디 안수 페 미릭 직라 촌바이나 가고위 네당 직당 교고위 네당 직 차요 섬기도 지로 직동 급장갑 중 아구기 다수비 체주니 페미 동자 망보 직 포탈이 노블링게 타고체 진노 konsa 잠고 친고초 오기 구자 송접 제하다 벽이 마옹바디 송접 제베기 니모디 차체 드링 로 tuk주 레지 코르교레 ngansugi semkyo go ne jangdi debi lo thukchu nanglo la ngansu phegi denta di thanju setu yo mare di ngansu popo da ngansu momo da ngansu mirap gemban jogi mangpo chi phegi rawang gi nima ma sha wi ngo ni ku sha go ne dang di cha yo di ngansu gerap lo ju nang ni semkyo go ne dang chik se ine ya ngansu namyang popa ke jing dunjo che go gi ne dun chik de debi lo thukchu nanglo la chinor konsa jamgo chembu choki utp gi Pemi saya tuki mutuni kale gyache tapsu chediyori. Di ngansu gyakab ki lorju dang maung pi dunjo girawa chisho chire samgido. Di matse chilo nidong geki sachi shigu chemo chache lo chukni korgiyori. Khantar debi ki lo tukchu rechi ki nanglo la chilo shikdong gubja shibju shegu nitina digido shikdong gubja ngabju ngagu nitina digido. Khantar debi lo tukchu dunju shinanglo la 배 미르기 레와다 배 미르기 이치 배 미르기 밀람디 안수기 두베알라 미랍 사닝 메와 겐쇼 다스문니 칼레자고레 디 줌센디아 덴체 나라 쉔게 지빙원니 믹세기 드링기 쉔게엔줄라 배기 탑저 나올라 무트니 칼레자로시 둔주 치로치 슈에이 Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On 10th March 1959, tens of thousands of Tibetans took to the street of Lhasa, rising up against Chinese illegal occupations of Tibet. They surrounded Norpolinka, palace of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, to protect his life and the future of Tibet nation. Thousands of Tibetans killed when Chinese opened fire, but the Tibetans refused to surrender. This is the greatest day that Tibetans came together against the illegal occupations of China. This is the day to remember and resist the Chinese authoritarian government. After all these decades, Chinese authorities have used everything to break the Tibetan spirit. They destroyed Tibetan culture, strategically genocide Tibetan language. They have destroyed more than 6,000 Tibetan monasteries, including Lauranga to Yachingal. They put Tibetans in the darkest prison to give up and roll back everything. Instead of giving up, today what we see inside Tibet, Tibetans are rising up. The new generations are rising up. In Tibet, under Chinese separation, there is no freedom of speech. There is no freedom of movement. There is no freedoms of religion. The Tibetans, both inside and outside, committed to change, fighting for the right in any cause. But they are remain in non-violence movement. 156 Tibetans self-immolated since 29. Recently, Ngawang Yunten self-immolated in my birthplace, Amdongawa, for the fundamental human rights and the returns of His Holiness the Great Dalai Lama. In the end, it is on us. Tibet nation is depending every one of us. We never give up. We never stop fighting. The new generations continue moving on the street. We never give up till the freedom comes in Tibet. Change will come in Tibet. It may take 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, even 50 years. Change is coming and we keep fighting for freedom. Pegelo, free Tibet!